are you ready to finish up our Rainbow Kingdom activity book? Let's go! We're going to start with the butterfly chase. We have to guide the red panda through the flowers and try to find all the butterflies along the way. Let's go! Whoop! Woo! This is fun! Here we go! Now let's count how many butterflies we passed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! Good job! Now we're on to fluttery finds. We have to count the butterflies under each animal and then write the answer. Let's start with the fox. Do you see it? Yep, there it is. Let's go. Let's find all the butterflies. Let's count as we find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 butterflies. Now let's move on to the bear. Do you see that one? Yep, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total. And our last column, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great job. That was a lot of counting. You did so good. Now we're going to go on to our next page, which is Jungle River. Each animal here has an identical friend, and we have to find each friend and color them to match. Let's find the snake first. Do you see it? Yeah, there it is. Great job. Now time to color. We're going to use yellow first. And now we're using red. And how about now? What's this color? Orange, that's right. And now we're on to green. And this color is teal. And our snake's finished. What animal next? How about the frog? There he is. Let's color. Yay! And what sound does the frog make? Ribbit, ribbit. That's so silly. Ooh, what color is the paddle? Pink, that's right. Yay, great job. And lastly, we're using purple. Woo, it looks great. Now let's find the other tiger. Let's go. His inside of his ears are red. Have you ever seen a tiger in real life? Whoa! They're mostly at the zoos where we can see them. Color is cheeks pink, and then we have one color left. What's it gonna be? That's right, it's orange. Tigers are almost always orange. But there are white tigers, and those tigers are of course white. Yay! Tiger was a lot of work, but we're done. Now let's move on to the parrot. He's down here. Let's get to coloring. It sure would be cool to be able to fly like a parrot. Can you pretend to be a parrot and fly around your room? Awesome! The parrot was pretty small and easy to color. Let's work on the koala next. He's pretty big, so we better get started. First, we're using orange. Orange, you glad to be here? As we finish our boat, can you help me sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat? Let's go! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Great job! Awesome! I sure do love to color. It's very fun. It looks like we're using purple now. Purple's a great color. Now let's finish up our koala by using pink. And we have to use pink on the boat too. That looks good, but uh-oh! It seems like I missed a part on the boat. Oh no! What color do we need to fill it in with? Did you guess red? Because that's what color we're using. Yay! It's such an easy fix. Now we're going to color our last animal, and that's the monkey. The monkey only uses 2 colors, and the first one is pink. Can you tell by looking at the other monkey that's already colored what our second color will be? It's teal! What a pretty color! Great job! Can you pretend to be a monkey with me? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. We're so silly. Wow, we sure did color a lot of animals. They all look great. Yay! Now let's go on to a craft to finish up our book. This is the Rainbow Palace. We're going to press out all the pieces in here so we can create a scene to play with. Let's go! There's our palace. And look, the door's open. How cool is that? I sure love all the pretty colors on the palace. And look, we got these other 2 little pieces that will help the palace stand up so we could play with it. How cool! I love it. And look, we have a fountain and a monkey and a lion, a piggy, a doggy, and a little mouse and hamster. How cute! I can't wait to play with our scene. That was so much fun. I hope you guys had so much fun working on this Rainbow Kingdom book, and I can't wait till we can play again together next time. Bye!